Air pollution, especially from solid waste mismanagement, poses a significant threat to respiratory health in Africa. The RESPIRA APEB project is a project that seeks to address the rise of chronic respiratory diseases in Africa through collaboration, research, and community engagement. Through this project, the Department of Architecture at the University of Nairobi, led by Dr. Margaret Kedogo, hosted a workshop in collaboration with professors from universities across the globe to discuss the pressing issue of chronic respiratory diseases in Africa from a built environment perspective.
In this particular call, we were responding to issues to do with respiratory health, particularly the impact of solid waste mismanagement or the lack of management of it, and how it impacts on outdoor air pollution and the impact that has on respiratory health.
The name of that project is RESPIRA APEB. So it's about the nexus between health issues, respiratory health, chronic diseases, waste production, and then the role of the built environment.
The workshop converged doctors and professors from different fields who had the chance to comprehend and impart knowledge.
I was trained as a geographer and an economist, but we have people in the room that are from data science, anthropology, private sector development, and I think it's really important when discussing societal issues to bring all these different perspectives together.
I made the connection to local development, territorial development, making use of different social sciences like sociology, political science, heterodox economy, and so forth.
All the participants were given an opportunity to showcase their research and research findings. The chief guest, Professor Thomas Mbuya, touched on all aspects, emphasizing the need for incorporating all stakeholders.
A lot of times I think we focus on the science. We come up with perfect solutions. And then we try to take to the ground to implement. We find that the ground has got its owners and we did not involve them.
The dump sites are not necessarily problematic, or at least not only problematic.
I think I've seen here there is involvement of stakeholders. I think, in my opinion, I think that's probably the most important part even before you go to the science. Because there are people who live around that place, and there are people who actually have a livelihood carved around the dump site.
We're really coming with an awareness of, or an interest in these places as a source of livelihoods, these places as the scene for everyday lives.
At the end of an educational day, the participants left with valuable takeaways.
For me, what is really interesting is to learn more from the architectural perspective, so also the Kenyan expertise in that, in looking at how the built environment is structured.
University of Nairobi's research office representative coming to talk to us, making the distinction between kind of real science and the social stuff, that this really made us think like we are scientists and we're concerned with the social, and this was really something that I think was important to bring together and make explicit.
Working with people that know about sensors of pollution, about communities, about government, about policy, is very, very important, and I'm very happy because I'm going to learn. I'm already learning a lot.
It's not just about coming together and having a workshop, which in the end, yes, you are building capacity, but it's understanding why you are building that capacity. What is it that you're interested in addressing?
Reporting for UNC TV, Orongo Newton.
UNC TV, empowering you.